Namo Buddhaya. Welcome to another video. In today's video, let's talk about how to stay focused during studies. Well, this is a question that most of the students ask from us. Bante, how can we stay focused in studies? I am easily becoming distracted. My mind is wandering here and there. So how can I concentrate my mind to studies? Well, first of all, let me ask you a question. Do you become distracted when you listen to your favorite song? Are you easily distracted when you watch your favorite movie? Whenever you are doing something that you mostly like, that you have the passion with, do you become distracted? No, you don't. You're well concentrated into that. So, what is the first secret behind this focusing power? Passion. Whenever you like something, your mind is focused to that. So, the first step of building the focus to anything is to develop the passion or the desire to do that. So, that is why they say that do what you love or love what you do. So, maybe it is for the studies, maybe it is for meditation. If you have the passion, you will be well concentrated. If you do not have the passion, if you did not like what you're doing, then your mind is going to be distracted. So the first step is creating the passion towards it. So the second step of creating the focus is to be happy with little achievements, like little focusing times. Whenever you study, whenever you meditate, you may have little times of focus. You may be concentrated for 10 seconds, or maybe 15 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute. What you have to do is you have to be happy with that. The thing that is with us is we are expecting many big things in our life, but we are not happy with little things in our life. So what you have to do, whenever you are focused, maybe for 10 seconds, say, I am happy with that. Admire it, right? Without that, you cannot create the focus. So, admire your little achievements. That is the one thing that you have to do. And the next thing is, you have to reduce your distractions. Notice what you become distracted. Maybe social media, maybe your mobile phone, maybe something that you think of, right? So what you have to do, reduce those distractions. Stay away from those distractions, right? If you start to study, if your phone is distracting you, what do you have to do? Keep that away for a little while, right? Whenever you reduce or whenever you stay away from the distractions, your mind become well focused. That is another thing that we can do to create the focus in our mind. And also remember, focusing power is not an act. It is a practice. It is a habit. So what do we have to do? We have to practice this focusing power or this concentration again and again. How to do it? So whenever you are studying, if you notice that your mind is wandering here and there, maybe in several thoughts, right? But when you notice it, when you become aware of it, take back that distracted mind to your focusing point. Maybe to studies, maybe to meditation. Take it back. It may stay in the studies for a little while. Your mind may stay in the studies for a little while. Then it will become distracted again. That is the nature of our mind. So what do you have to do it again? You have to take it back and start to study. When it is distracted, take it back to the studies and keep on studying. When you do it over and over again, what happens is it creates this power of habit. Then you can create the focusing power in your studies. So these are the little things that we can practice to create more focus. And also, before studying, before you do anything that needs your focus, just meditate a little while. Maybe just close your eyes and focus on your breathing pattern. your in breath and out breath, right? When you focus your mind to that, your mind, we give that message, or we give that signal to our mind that now you should be concentrated, you should be focused. So when you practice these things, your mind will little by little get used to be focused. So practice these little practices and make your life a better one. Namo Buddhaya.